Look up. For as long as we've existed, we've stared into the night sky, connecting the stars and weaving stories about our place in the universe. This curiosity is ancient, tracking the stars, building calendars, navigating oceans. Each new tool, from the first spyglass to modern telescopes, revealed more of the cosmos. We learned the wandering stars were planets, our sun was just one among billions, and our galaxy just one of countless others. Every leap in technology brought us closer to understanding the universe. Now, we have the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. JWST isn't just another telescope, it's a quantum leap, decades in the making. It's our generation's answer to those timeless questions. Where did we come from? Are we alone? JWST lets us see what was once hidden, the first flickers of light after the Big Bang, the birth of stars and galaxies, and the atmospheres of distant worlds. With JWST, we're not just looking at the sky, we're looking back through cosmic history. It's our most powerful tool yet for exploring the universe's deepest mysteries. The adventure of discovery continues, and JWST is leading the way. The universe is about to reveal its secrets. What makes JWST so special? It's all about infrared light. Our eyes see only a tiny slice of the electromagnetic spectrum, but the universe shines in many wavelengths, especially infrared. JWST is built to see this invisible light, which passes through cosmic dust that blocks visible light. Imagine trying to see in a dusty room. Infrared lets you see through the haze. Hubble showed us the universe in visible and ultraviolet, but JWST's infrared vision reveals what Hubble couldn't. To do this, JWST must stay incredibly cold, shielded by a giant sunshield the size of a tennis court. Its gold-coated mirror collects faint, ancient light, opening a new window on the universe. JWST isn't just an upgrade, it's a new kind of observatory. It lets us peer into the cosmic dark ages, to the very beginning. For the first time, we can see what was hidden behind dust and distance. The universe is clearer than ever before. When you look at the stars, you're looking into the past. Light from our sun takes 8 minutes to reach us. From the nearest star, over 4 years. Telescopes are time machines. The farther they look, the further back in time they see. JWST is the most powerful time machine ever built, designed to capture light from the universe's infancy. It sees light that's traveled over 13.5 billion years, almost to the dawn of time. As the universe expands, ancient light stretches into the infrared, making JWST's vision essential. Visible light telescopes can't see this far back, but JWST can. It's not just taking pictures, it's capturing snapshots from different eras of cosmic history. We can watch galaxies grow and merge, witnessing cosmic evolution in real time. For the first time, we're observing the birth of the first stars and galaxies directly. This is a monumental leap for science. The universe's story is unfolding before our eyes, and we're just getting started. After the Big Bang, the universe was a dark, foggy place filled with neutral hydrogen. For hundreds of millions of years, no stars shone, just a cosmic fog. Then the first stars ignited, massive, bright, and short-lived. Their intense radiation ionized the hydrogen, clearing the fog and making the universe transparent. This transformation is called the Epoch of Reionization. It set the stage for the universe we know today. JWST's mission is to observe this era directly, finding the galaxies that lit up the cosmos. By measuring their light, JWST reveals how these early galaxies shaped the universe. Before JWST, this was mostly theory. Now we can see it happening. We're identifying the galaxies that ended the cosmic dark ages. The universe's first light is finally within reach. JWST is solving one of the greatest mysteries in cosmic history. We're witnessing the universe's transformation from darkness to light. The earliest galaxies are incredibly faint and distant, even for JWST. But the universe helps us out. Massive galaxy clusters act as gravitational lenses, magnifying light from even more distant objects. This natural lensing, predicted by Einstein, lets us see galaxies we'd otherwise miss. JWST uses these cosmic magnifying glasses to peer deeper into the past. Scientists reconstruct the true shapes of these lensed galaxies even when they appear as stretched arcs or multiple images. This technique has already revealed some of the most distant galaxies ever seen. By studying their light, we learn about their size, age, and the stars they contain. These lensed galaxies are direct windows into the reionization era. The universe itself is helping us uncover its origins. Gravitational lensing combined with JWST is pushing the boundaries of discovery. Every new telescope brings surprises, and JWST is no exception. Its first deep-field images, like those of galaxy cluster Abell 2744, revealed a universe more crowded and mature than expected. Instead of just tiny, chaotic galaxies, JWST found well-structured ones, some resembling disks, much earlier than predicted. This discovery challenges our understanding of how quickly galaxies formed after the Big Bang. The early universe was building complex structures faster than we thought. These findings are forcing scientists to rethink cosmic evolution. JWST isn't just confirming theories, it's rewriting them. Every observation opens new questions and mysteries. The universe is more dynamic and surprising than we ever imagined, and JWST is just getting started. JWST isn't just looking back in time, it's searching for other worlds. By studying exoplanets, JWST can analyze their atmospheres for water, methane, and other signs of activity. One early discovery, water vapor in the atmosphere of a distant gas giant, 14 Hercules c. The planet was hotter than expected, hinting at complex planetary systems. JWST's technique, transit spectroscopy, lets us detect chemical fingerprints from light years away. Each new detection helps us understand how planets form and evolve. Now, JWST is turning to smaller rocky worlds, potentially like Earth. It will search for biosignatures, the chemical clues of life. For the first time we can realistically search for signs of life beyond our solar system. JWST is leading the quest to find our place in the cosmos. The search for other Earths is underway. JWST has only just begun its mission, but it's already transforming our understanding of the universe. From the birth of galaxies to the chemistry of alien worlds, its discoveries are rewriting what we know. By studying the earliest stars, we trace the origins of the elements that make up our world, and ourselves. We are stardust, connected to the cosmos in every way. For every answer JWST provides, new questions arise. How did galaxies form so quickly? What is dark matter? Are other worlds habitable? These are the challenges for the next generation of explorers. JWST is more than a telescope. It's a symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity. It reminds us that we are part of something vast and magnificent. The journey of discovery is far from over. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring. The cosmos awaits.